Be honest, how many times have you deleted a game just to download another one? If you own a PS5, you already know the storage runs out fast. Today, I'm upgrading my PS5 with an internal SSD, and I'm going to show you the steps and the difference it makes. Welcome back to Plugged In Tech. If you've been thinking about adding storage to your PS5, but you wasn't sure if it's worth it, this video is for you. I'm keeping it simple, why I did it, how to install it, and what changed after. PS5 storage is cool at first, until you start downloading real games. Between big installs, updates, saved data, and clips, your console fills up way quicker than you expect. And I got tired of that cycle where you delete one game just to install another. Let me show you what I mean. These are the games I keep installed, and this is where my storage was sitting before the upgrade. You can see how fast it gets tight. And that's exactly why this upgrade is so clutch. Alright, now let's install the SSD. I'll walk you through it step by step. This is the internal SSD I'm using. I don't have the box, but I'll show you the drive up close so you know exactly what it looks like. Quick tip, before you buy any SSD, make sure it's made for the PS5 and you've got a heatsink. These drives can get warm and the heatsink helps keep performance stable. First, power the PS5 off completely and unplug it. Next, take the cover off, lift it up, and slide it. Don't force it. Now you'll see the SSD base cover. Remove the screw and take the metal plate off. Inside, you'll see the slot and a spacer. Move the spacers to match your size SSD. Here's the key part. Insert the SSD at an angle, then gently push it down so it sits flat. Once it's flat, screw it in so it's secure. Put the metal plate back on, then tighten the screw and snap the PS5 cover back into place. When you power the PS5 back on, it'll recognize the new drive and set it up. After that, you can go to the storage settings and you'll see the SSD listed right there. Now you got your console storage and your SSD storage separate, and that's the whole win. More room for games, less deleting, and it makes the PS5 experience smoother. The best part, it feels seamless. I can keep the games I actually play installed, and when friends hit me up like, hey, download this, I'm not stressing about space anymore. Honestly, this is one of the best upgrades you can do for your PS5, especially if most of you buy digital. Simple install, instant quality of life upgrade. If this helped you out, hit the like. It really helps out more PS5 owners find the video. And subscribe, because I'm testing more PS5 upgrades and accessories each week. And if you want to watch another PS5 video, I reviewed the DualSense Edge controller. Check that out next. I'll link it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.